All right, guys, welcome back to the Magic Academy. Today we're learning a fun self-working card trick that works every single time. It's very easy, very beginner friendly. I created some sort of goofy story with the king and the queen and their love for one another and how they always will find each other. And so I go ahead and perform the routine and then share with you the secret behind this simple trick. I think you'll enjoy it, and stay tuned. Today we're going to share the beautiful story of the love for a king and a queen in a card trick. It requires 2 piles of 15, that is 1, and that is 2. And if we cut those properly, that should be 30 cards, and there is the king and the queen. We'll place the other cards aside. And just for good measure, we'll count 1 pile to make sure this is 15 and 15. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 cards. All right, so history has it that the king was on a search for his queen. The queen is lost, but not forgotten. So the king is now searching for his queen. We'll create 2 piles, and we'll keep whatever pile the king is in. So you can see he's getting 1 step closer to finding his queen. Hopefully she's not in there. All right, we'll do that again. Won't take as long this time, right? Okay, there we go. We're narrowing things down for the king. Hope is not lost. There's only 1 more chance. That leaves 1 final card. Was the king able to find his queen? He did it. What a beautiful story. Hope you guys enjoyed this trick. It's a fun self-working card trick, very simple. The first part, if you want to try and get fancy, is cutting 15 cards. It's sort of a knack. You kind of get a feel for 15 cards in your hand. The more and more you're holding a deck of cards, and you're holding 13 cards, 14 cards, 15 cards, you can really get a good feel. So if maybe you feel like you have 14, you can say, oh wait, I think I'm missing 1 more. There's 15 and 15. Of course, you can just count 15 cards as well. And you can choose any pair, have any sort of story you want. I just kind of came up with a fun one with the king and the queen. And what do you do from there? Well, it's pretty awesome. You can have the spectator cut wherever they want on both piles and just swap the piles. And then from there, you can have one of the cards face down and one face up as it's searching for one another. For demonstration here, we'll just leave them both face up. And so what seems like completely random, the cards were swapped, they cut wherever they want. It seems like the king and the queen are in completely random areas. And for the self-working card trick, it just works out every time. Someone can maybe help with the mathematics behind it. But you'll see here as you deal the cards out, the king and the queen will always be in the same pile. From there, you just keep that pile. And once again, eliminate the pile without the face-up card. And then you've got the last card, the last pile. And just like that, the cards always manage to find one another. Super fun self-working card trick, can get a lot of laughs. Easy to do, anyone can do it. And hope you enjoy it. We'll see you next time.